Hey guys, welcome back. I just finished digging and planting two plants. So let's go to the first one quickly and then we'll go to the second one in greater detail. So the first tree was to replace this one. Remember this one? This is the Lucuma, which succumbed to who knows what. Maybe too much water, too much cold over winter. Actually, it died at the very beginning of spring, which is very common with subtropicals. When they die, they don't die in winter, they die in spring. It's like, that's it, can't take it anymore. So I don't know what killed it, but I replaced it with this tree, that one there, and it's should be very familiar to some of you. I've already planted another one over here and it's doing great. Let's see how that does. That one's been there for a year and it's doubled in height, right? Although something really weird is happening in the middle. I don't know what's going on there. Let's get closer. Something very weird. Otherwise, very healthy, right? We're talking about Wampy, guys. Look at this. It's nice and healthy, right? Nice and thick trunk. These are seedlings. I grew this from a seed. Right? Nice side branch here. But look what's happening in this section. There's no green. It's all brown. Can anyone explain what is going on here in that section there? It looks like it's ready for grafting, right? Weird or what? Green, brown, and then green, and very healthy. Very healthy. Very healthy. So that's the Wampy giving me, by the way, if it does die, it doesn't matter because there's two new side branches here and they're healthy, these two, so it doesn't really matter. But what is this? I mean, what caused this? To me, it looks like too much water, because I've been watering the heck out of it. Yeah, so that's the Wampy. Now the new Wampy took the place of the Lucuma, and I put it straight into native soil, which is how I plant most of my trees, right? And there it is there, just sitting in mud. That was planted half an hour ago, and it's still muddy. And I planted it at level grade. So we'll see how that one does. Let's see how tough these Wampies are. Okay, so now let's go to the second tree I planted, which was to replace another dead tree. Guys, where are we? We have to go around this way. I'm doing this because of all the rain we've had. Best time to plant trees is when it's raining. Okay. Here's another one I planted 10 months ago, a black sapote seedling. And it's doing great. Also planted at level grade. I found out what killed, well, it seems I found out, right? I'm only guessing what killed the American Pawpaw, right? That. Oh man. There's not much moisture in the root ball. I would say from a 0 to 10, the moisture level is, let's see, between a 2 and a 3. Looks like there's a bit of life in this root. That's interesting. They got life. They're green. Well, I can really smell the roots. Hang on. What's going on here? Okay, let me scratch it. No, that's rotted. There's nothing to scratch. There's nothing to scratch. Nothing to scratch here. So guys, this is what I found. The soil was dry. In a nutshell. So guess who was right? Someone guessed. Well, not guessed, but gave their opinion. Brett, who's had success with this in London. Mr. Brett Lyons. Yeah, it's dry. It's very dry. I mean, not bone dry. There's some moisture, but like I said, at around a level 2 to 3. There's a few rocks in here, just a couple. Yeah, so that's the soil that I dug out. Right, pretty dry, mixed with wet soil. The top layer that got rained on the last couple of days. So yeah, it's not bone dry. I reckon this is enough to sustain the tree's life. But the thing is, we had heat. Yeah, there's another rock. The thing is, we've had a drought, guys. We had a drought in Melbourne all summer, all spring. Now, you might say, well, it's your fault, you should have watered it. Guys, I've been watering it. I mean, I stopped watering it a month ago. I haven't watered it in a month because it was dead. Why water a dead tree? So, let me show you the other pawpaw. Look at that. Why isn't this bone dry? Right? If you're going to use the same logic, this should be dead too. Huh? This should be dead too, guys. Look. It's getting new growth. Huh? What's going on? Why isn't this tree dead? I watered both trees equally. The same exact amount. The same amount. Yeah, there's one difference between the two trees. Well, two differences. This one gets shaded from the sun by this plum. All day shade. This is all day shade. And that one that died was in all morning sun. All morning sun. So that's one difference. The other difference is this one was very close to the roots of this plum tree. So close. This root here from the plum is only 12 inches, maybe 15 inches from where this guy was. This pawpaw. Right? See this root? That's visible root. Imagine that the invisible roots under here. What's going on? So full sun for half the day and that root. A bit close. But this one was in all day shade. Shaded all day. This one even flowered in September. And I've kept up the water, of course, since it's not dead. I've watered it constantly, and it's. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh, that's 5 inches deep. Yeah, moist. Moist, right? So it's definitely not dry. I don't know what's going on 30 inches below. I don't know, unless I dig a hole. But the top 5 inches are moist. Not wet, moist. It's actually, the top 5 inches are lawn clippings mixed with soil. So Yeah, I've put a lot of lawn clippings in here over the last 2 months. Yeah, but I'm going to water it. I'm going to keep watering this very well over summer. So what am I going to put in its place? This one? Well, I've run out of wampies. I planted the last wampy today. I'm going to be planting this. Let's get this out of here. Oh wow, that's pretty rock hard. Oh boy, I hope it's not the plum roots. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some heavy digging. He's gonna go there. Do you know what that is? It's subtropical. It's a Grumichama, Brazilian cherry. Yeah, let's see how he does compared to the American Pawpaw. Alright guys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Give me your opinion on what could have gone on here, gone wrong. And just in general, give us feedback on what you've seen in this video. Please subscribe to the channel too, if you haven't yet. We need more subscribers. And we'll see you from the next video. Yeah, I'm gonna water the heck out of this, just like I did the wampy. It's gonna be sitting in mud. Evidently the pawpaws like extra water. I don't think you can kill these with excess water. I don't know about the Gurumichama, but it looks like this for certain. For certain. Right? Oh jeez, guys, I've given it one of these buckets every week for the entire spring. Yeah, one, not summer, spring. I said spring. In summer I'm gonna be giving it 2 of these every week. Yep. And as you can see, the drainage is perfect. Half the water's gone already in 30 seconds. Okay, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's all gone. That's 10 liters, 2 gallons. All gone in 1 minute. So we've got great drainage here.